Hello friends, little outdoor power equipment video today. We've got this Stihl or Steel, depending on your pronunciation of it, FS45C curve shaft weed whacker. It's an older unit, but still in good physical shape. It's also got the weird easy pull on it, which I'm not really a big fan of, but it does seem to work pretty well. We've been having trouble off and on with this for about a year. It just wouldn't stay running. It's run a little bit and stop, run a little bit and stop, run rough, just wouldn't stay running. So I cleaned the spark plug, I cleaned the carburetor, and nothing. Just ran like crap. I went online, I said, heck with it, try one of these. I said, I'm going to try one of these cheap Chinese carburetors on Amazon and see what happens. So I almost bought a carb kit for it again, and the carb kit was like $12. Let me show you what I got here. For $14.29, I got the whole brand new carburetor. Well, this isn't actually it, it's already installed. But if you can see, it's exactly like this one. Even has little dust caps on it. There is not a single difference between that carburetor and this one in my hand. It came with new gaskets for the front and back. It came with a spark plug, an H&H spark plug, which I've never heard of. 2 air filters, 2 fuel filters, 2 replacement primer bulbs, and a new fuel line set. And these primer bulbs, if you go to a local supply shop, they charge you like $5 or $6 a piece just for those primer bulbs. So I got all this for $14.29, which I find to be amazing. I just can't believe I got all this stuff so cheap. And I also bought a pair of NGK spark plugs for $7 because I wasn't sure if I trust the H&H spark plug that came with the kit. So I've got a couple NGK plugs too. Let's see. But it's all installed. You can see how nice it looks in there. It's got a brand new, everything's brand new, totally brand new carburetor, fuel lines, fuel filter pickup, everything's new, NGK spark plug, and that did the trick. It starts right up and runs great now. Let me see if it'll, probably won't start now, but there you go. A good value for $14.29. I'll put a link to this kit in the description of the video, as well as a link to the NGK spark plugs. These are both great deals on Amazon. Check them out, support our channel, and thanks for watching.